welcome back to my channel Make It Professional. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to give rich and dark look to your street photos. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also click to that notification bell so you never miss any another update from my channel. Now without wasting your time, let's start the tutorial. Go to Lights, Exposure, make minus 0.90 EV, contrast, seven, highlights, minus 93, shadows, shadows 52, whites, minus 10. Now go to this icon, vibrance 9, saturation minus 1, now go to mix tool, orange color, make hue 9, saturation minus 29, now go to yellow color, hue minus 100, saturation minus 100, now go to green color, hue minus 91, saturation minus 100, now go to aqua color, saturation minus 100, now go to blue color, saturation minus 87, now go to purple color, saturation minus 100, now go to pink color, saturation minus 100, done. Now go to this icon, make clarity 27, vignette minus 38, now go to split tone,